your name and what the Lord has done.
Praise God. My name is Mwau Brian from Nairobi, Kenya. I am here to testify of God's goodness, of career breakthrough and business breakthrough. And what I did is always maximizing my planting season between the ages 20 to 30 years. Today I'm 30 years old. So I joined this commission in August 2017, and I rededicated my life to Christ on the 9th of October 2017, just a few days before I turned 21. Since then, I've served in the hospitality service group, and I've had the privilege of leading the Nairobi unit at one point. I deliberately held to the teachings of God's servant, Bishop David Oyedepo, particularly the teaching on maximizing the seasons age 20 to 30, a season of planting. And here is my testimony. Today, I have seen the faithfulness of God. At the age 22, this was exactly 3 years after I graduated from the university. I got my first permanent job as a manager in one of the leading investment companies in East Africa. By the age 25, praise God, by the age 25, my team and I, we had innovated a solution to help connect unemployed young people to job opportunities. By God's grace, by the age of 25, MasterCard Foundation had disbursed $2.5 million worth of grant just to see us expand this vision. And by that time, we had also reached out to 1 million Kenyans. During COVID-19 season, I was only 23 years old, and this is what God did. He gave us a divine idea to be able to package a software system to help governments and NGOs to distribute food during this season. MasterCard Foundation again walked in and gave this innovation 45 million Kenya shillings to expand this. At the age 25, I was listed among Kenya's top 35 under 35 in the Department of ICT for using innovation to create measurable impact across Kenya. At the age 27, God settled me maritally to my beautiful wife, Brenda Cherono. And later I blessed us with a son called Taifa. At 28, as I conclude, my wife was not able to go back to the job that she was working because our son was still young. She resigned. And this is during the midst of the year, exactly 7 days after resignation, I was promoted at work. And see what God did. The same exact amount of salary she let go is what was added to me. At the age of 29, I was made to become the head of business development in Kenya's leading only international financial center called Traffic. At this age, praise God, at this age of 30, by God's grace, today I'm 30. God has been able to help us to build our village home, 4-bedroom house, fully finished. Currently, we live in a private residence in the capital city. Last month, as I was just preparing to come and share my testimony here, this is what God did. God made me to be the first one in my family to buy my wife a brand new car, an SUV for that purpose. And as I move to the next level, here is the highlight of the testimony. At the age of 30, I trusted God for global doors to open. And behold, this is what God did. I received an email to be appointed to go and start the first service-focused special economic zone in Uganda as the commercial manager. I have returned to give God all the glory.
Chosen people are dangerous. Anytime you fight a chosen person, you are bound to fail. Pharaoh could not kill Moses because Moses was chosen. Joseph's brothers could not kill Joseph because Joseph was chosen. Pontius Pilate could not do anything to Jesus because Jesus was chosen. Jesus says in John 15 and 16, you did not choose me, but I chose you.